Hi guys, my name is Meg and today we're going to be doing some experiments with acids and bases. 3, 2, 1, hit it! Acid, base, acid and base. Acid, base, baby. Acid, base, acid and base. Acid, base, baby. Okay guys, we're going to start our first activity called dancing powders. For this activity, we're going to enter the world of mind-blowing chemistry. For this activity, you need baking soda, citric acid, 2 plastic cups, a medium-sized plastic scoop, some water, a plate or a tray to catch any spilled liquids. Alright, to start this experiment, we're going to start by putting 2 medium scoops of baking soda and citric acid into the first cup. And here's the citric acid. And now swirl the mixtures together nicely. After you've done that, fill the second cup halfway with water. Get ready to start dancing. Once you pour the water into this, you're going to see that the powders are going to start to dance. They're dancing, alright? There's so many bubbles. Citric acid is an acid, whereas baking soda is a base. When you mix them together with some water, they neutralize each other and form a gas called carbon dioxide, the same gas we breathe out. This bubbling and fizzing is caused by the carbon dioxide gas trying to escape, making them dance. When chemicals like citric acid and baking soda meet other chemicals, they cause a chemical reaction. That's it for experiment number 1. # chemical reaction. Has your mom ever told you to eat your vegetables? In this experiment, you're going to realize that vegetables are great fun. Today we're going to be using acids, bases and red cabbage powder to make color-changing liquids. For this experiment, you'll need citric acid, baking soda, red cabbage powder, some water, 3 plastic cups, the small scoop, the medium scoop, 2 stir sticks, and a tray or a plate to catch any spilled liquids. First, fill 2 cups with 3/4 of water. Now, add 1 small scoop of red cabbage powder to each of the cups. Wow! Doesn't that look amazing? Now we've got some purple liquid. Add 1 medium scoop of baking soda into the first cup and stir it. Whoa, it changed blue. Now add 1 medium scoop of citric acid into the second cup. Now let's stir it. Ooh, changed to pink quite fast. That's red. Wow. Add 1/3 of the blue liquid and 1/3 of the red liquid into the same cup. Hey, it changed back to purple. To keep up the fun, let's add 1 medium scoop of baking soda into the purple cup and see what happens. Wow. Foamy. To add more fun, let's add some citric acid into the cup. Wow. There's a lot of foam that's collecting on the top. Red cabbage is not stable in basic solutions. Over time, you may eventually realize that the blue solution changes to green, then yellow, and then eventually colorless. This is because the chemical in the red cabbage juice powder, which gives the red cabbage juice its color, is slowly breaking apart into other colorless chemicals. Let's see what happens in a few hours. guys, the solution turned from blue to green to yellow. That was experiment number 2. Hashtag changing colors. Okay guys, do you want to test with some household liquids to see if they're acidic or base? Let's find out with this simple experiment. Add a little bit of water into a cup. Now, take 1 small scoop of cabbage powder into the water. Now to test with some household ingredients. I'm going to take some lime juice with a small drop of this solution onto this paper and add your household ingredient into it. Not too much. If it turns pink or red, it's acidic. If it turns blue or green, it's a base. For me, it's turned pink. It means it's acidic. Lime juice is acidic. Let's do this experiment again with some liquid soap. It's turning bluish-green now. Looks like it's a base then. Yoo-hoo, I declare this base. Okay guys, that's it for experiment number 3. Hashtag lime juice is acid. Okay guys, that was all for today's episode.